Hey everybody, it's Dr. Fish, the Math Scientist. Guys, today I made a do-it-yourself light-up clown necklace. For this, guys, I took this clown from outside. It's not like a wind chime, but it's made to withstand the weather. It has a little loop right here. I tied craft string to it. Then I put pony beads, red, white, and blue, because that's the color of the clown. I hot glue gunned the red finger light off, on, and that's basically it. That's the do-it-yourself light up clown necklace. It's really cool, guys. I'm not a big fan of clowns, but a lot of people are. This was a very easy build, and I enjoyed building it. Always be original, creative, and explosive, guys. See things that other people don't see, and make cool things like the do-it-yourself light up clown necklace. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Dr. Fish out.